To make large dice, you will need some cardboard, a ruler, a pencil, a utility knife, a permanent marker, and some strong tape. Start by deciding how large you want your dice to be. I decided I wanted my dice to be 10 inches cubed. So I started by measuring squares that were 10 inches by 10 inches. After measuring and drawing my square, I took my utility knife and started cutting my first square out. One square finished, and 12 more to go. You need 6 squares for each die. Cardboard can dull knives quickly, and my knife wasn't cutting as well as I would have liked, so I used some scissors to help with the cuts. Almost done. Let's really speed it up now. My boxes weren't big enough to cut all of my squares out of the flat sides, so 2 of my squares were cut over the edges. That means that they will bend really easily. I'm going to use some of my scrap cardboard and tape it over the back sides to make these 2 pieces stable. With all 12 squares completed, it's time to decide what you want on each side of the die. You can do the traditional dots. You can write numbers. You can even put colors or shapes. I've decided that I'm doing one of my dies with numbers 1 through 6 and the other die with numbers 7 through 12. Time to turn these squares into dice. I do that by taping the edges of the squares together. Connecting the last square is the most difficult. You have to add the tape to all 3 edges and fold it over, ready for when you bend the top down. Last one. I've decided to make this die 7 through 12. Three is less than 8. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 2 are both even numbers. Math is just more fun when the dice are bigger.